They are very playful person. Five cats all are very good players. Kittens are more active kittens. Smart. That's why pet cats more entertainment. You subscribe this, watch and enjoy and share these videos, lives. Can you say what's their name? His name Diamond Blackie Panther. His name is Muttumani. Muttumani. Hmm? And little kitten name is Tiger Club John. And another kitten name is Amul Ice Cream. And one more male cat name is Whitey. White Milk Din. Because he is very bulky, fat. That's why Amul Din. Amul Dappa. Amul box. Milk powder. They are going outside walking. He is my very pet, closed, always with me. He is always with me. Even sleep, working time, in kitchen, washing, vessel washing, always he is with me. He was with me. He came behind me shop also. When I go to outing, they are came behind me. That much close to me, attached to me. Lovely cats, lovely, lovable, lovable. These cats are quite okay. இது பாருங்க என்ன பண்ணுதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். See, this is roughed one, roughed one. See, oh, very bold, but Diamond is very soft. See, how much angry, bold, very bold. Oh my God. Okay. Cool. Can say you watch. He is brave. You accept it. ஹாய் சொல்லு. ஹாய் சொல்கிறா. ஏற்கனவே பரண்டியாச்சு, ஸ்க்ராச்சிங் பண்ணிட்டேன். You only scratched me. Nails are very sharp. See, very fast, cute, active. Okay, my phone battery is very low. See you again next live. Next videos. I post many videos, so watch and enjoy. Oh my God. Again, catched him.